Hi, my name is Chantel Thomas, and I am a foster care case manager. I think that I chose to go ahead and pursue my master's in social work when I realized that I wanted to branch off from being a case manager. I knew that I didn't want to take on the supervisor position. Um, Under defects, I thought it would be a better fit for me to really just try to move forward with what I really wanted to do, which was being a school social worker or doing school counseling, but under the social work umbrella. However, with me applying to some of those positions, I realized that I did not have the qualifications slash certifications to do so, which prompted me to really start investing time and energy into looking for the best program that fit my academic needs, but as well as my scheduling needs. Because as a foster care case manager, every day is a different day and it's never boring, but definitely on the unpredictable and unexpected side. So just rolling with the punches in that aspect, I needed a program that could do that as well. Which is ultimately why I chose an online program, and just being able to know that Widener is more trauma focused with their master's in social work, that seemed to really cater to what I want to do moving forward in my career. And hope you guys have a great first week and see you around in our class.